Seeing the error invalid configuration information, please run setup program or time of day not set every time you boot up your PC? Don't worry, this common BIOS issue has a simple fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted guide for solving everyday tech issues. In this video, we will show you how to fix the invalid configuration information and time of the day not set errors that usually pop up when your BIOS settings reset, often after a power loss or dead CMOS battery. Method 1. Change date and time in BIOS. If you see the following message on boot, invalid configuration information, please run setup program, time or date not set, look for this prompt. To continue, press 1. To change setup options, press 2. You can also press the specified on your screen to enter BIOS. The process may vary from system to system. You can go through the user manual or visit the manufacturer's website to find out the proper way to enter your BIOS. Once inside BIOS, go to the General section. Select Date and Time. Set the correct date and time. The format is usually like this: month, date, then year. Now set the correct time. Now apply the changes. If the Apply button is grayed out, continue to the next step. Method 2. Restore BIOS settings. In BIOS, find the Restore Settings option. It is usually next to Exit. Select this to reset BIOS to default settings. Confirm by selecting Yes when prompted. Once done, try to change the date. Exit BIOS and let the system restart. If the system boots into Windows or your OS without the error, the problem is resolved. Method 3. Change the CMOS battery. If the issue keeps recurring, your CMOS battery might be dead. Replace the small coin cell CMOS battery on your motherboard. This keeps your BIOS settings saved after shutdown. You can also visit the motherboard's website to check how to change the CMOS battery. Once done, check if your BIOS time or date error should now be fixed, and the system should boot normally. And that's it. Your BIOS should be back in shape and you shouldn't see those errors again on startup. If this helped you out, give us a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more quick tech fixes. Still having issues or solved it a different way? Share it in the comments. We are here to help and learn together. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next one.